Hello guys! How are you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to practice some difficult PTE pronunciation words that are important for the exam. Listen and speak with me. Say each word clearly and confidently. Let's begin. Phenomenon. Archaeological. Entrepreneur. Simultaneously. Irrevocable. Anonymity. Hypothetically. Bureaucracy. Inexplicable. Epitome. Equilibrium. Omnipresent. Exacerbate. Exhilarating. Hierarchical. Intermittent. Onomatopoeia. Misconception. Idiosyncrasy. Camouflage. Vicissitude. Conscientious. Cognizance. Reconciliation. Ambiguity. Well done, everyone. Practice daily and stay consistent. If there's any word you struggle with, comment below. I'll include it next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon, and keep speaking confidently.